The iPhone 17s are finally here, and you also have the brand new iPhone Air. And with this, you're getting a whole new design, 120Hz on the base model of the iPhone, ceramic shield 2 up front, and so much more to talk about. But in this video, we're going to be talking about protecting your iPhones. You've got everything from cases all the way to screen protectors and even camera lens protectors. In this video, we're taking a look at all of those from RHINOSHIELD, and we're going to help you guys decide which style and aesthetic matches your brand new iPhone 17. The SolidX case is that traditional style, like I said, but this time more slim, more durable, fits your phone better, and has a cooler aesthetic as well, but also comes with military-grade drop protection with up to 71% more durability for most drops. Then you've got the clear case. If you want to show off your phone a little bit more and you want that clear aesthetic, you can have that with the clear cases. The cool thing about these is that they're anti-yellowing, which is the biggest problem with clear cases, because every time you put it on, 6 months to a year later, it's turning yellow, looks disgusting. Nobody wants to see that. So this is great. Now, before we get into the screen protectors and the lens protectors, let's quickly go through each of these. And I want to talk about the colors because they have some new colors on the SolidX. The newest color that we have is actually this one right here called the Dawn Clay. The thing you'll notice is that the honeycomb design on the inside, which they had last year, is gone for a more clean look on the inside, but you still have a little bit of it on the corners there. Another thing to keep in mind is that back here, you actually still have that camera control option, proper haptic feedback as well. The second color is actually the seaweed green, and this looks super nice. I think with the announcement of the sage green, this was one of the favorite colors a lot of people had, and obviously this isn't for this, but I like this green sort of earthy tone. It's a very nice look. If you're a little bit more boring like me, you also have the option for simple white and black. Nice and easy. The other two colors you've got is the Glacier Blue and also the Shell Beige, if you want that more Uniqlo vibe. Now, I've got the iPhone Air here in that sky blue color, and it perfectly pairs with the Glacier Blue. It's also still protecting your phone while being incredibly light. Apparently, it's 7 sheets of paper light, which is great. You do have the RHINOSHIELD branding on the side, but it's not too in your face. I like that. I don't like when phone cases are too like, oh, look at my brand. This feels just right. And this is what the SolidX looks like with the iPhone 17 base model. I have the sage color. Sage and black actually looks pretty good together. I would recommend this. Now let's try out the Pro. So I've got the Cosmic Orange, which was the hero color. How do you guys feel about this color? Actually, let me know in the comments. I'm still on edge. Okay, let's try this out with the Shell Beige. Ugh, I feel like this combo would work. I actually like this combo. The cool thing is also that all your MagSafe accessories will work pretty well on this because the MagSafe on this is very solid, by the way, like very, very strong. Now we've got the Dawn Clay with my Deep Blue Pro Max. See how that looks. Looks all right. That looks pretty good. Now let's move on to the clear cases, and we have the 3 types. So you've got the one for the Pros, you've got the one for the Air, and of course the 17. Again, like I said, anti-yellowing, so this is great for people who want to show off their phone, have that MagSafe ring, and not the one from Apple, because Apple's one has that white box at the, why are we doing that? It doesn't look good. This looks good. All right, we're gonna try this out with the Pro Max. So starting off with my Deep Blue Pro Max, simple as that. Pretty straightforward. With a clear case, you get decent protection. You'll be happy with this case. Again, we still have that camera control off to the side. The good thing is the MagSafe on both of these is going to be twice as powerful. So all of your MagSafe accessories, like the RHINOSHIELD bottle sponsor, it is actually a sponsor, the whole video is a sponsor, is going to work really well with this. So you can do horizontal, vertical. You don't have to worry about it slipping and falling off. So with the Air, it still feels thin. Obviously not as thin as the Air on its own, but it's not too heavy or too thick either. And they've made it slimmer, 30% thinner than it was before. It's almost as thin as a slice of bread, or if you stack like 2 credit cards together, which is pretty good if you don't want a bulky feel in your hand or in your pocket. And for the clear tinted ones, you've got the Gleam Rosé and also the Nocturne Blue, like I said. What I think works really well for the Nocturne Blue is going to be the Deep Blue for the Pro Max, which is this one right here, because you get to show off the color of the blue with the blue, and that actually looks pretty dope. All right, cases out of the way, it's time for protection. So we've got, like I said, screen protectors and also the camera lens protectors. Let's just try putting this on right now. So I've got all of the phones set up here, but I'm gonna install it to show you guys the process, how simple it really is. You don't really need to go to a store to do it. You can just order these and do this at home. So right here, these are the ones for the Pro and Pro Max. Let's try these out first. Okay, so this one is for the 17 Pro, but this is also backwards compatible with the 16 Pro because they're roughly about the same size up front. I actually hate installing screen protectors. I'll be very honest. If I hate it and I can install it, you can definitely do it. Okay, so you can wipe it, and then they do give you the dust collecting sticker thingy. And then pull. And boom, just like that. Screen protector installed. Very fast, easy, and you have all the tools you need right there in the box. Same goes for the Pro Max. Again, I've put it up here and you just pull, push, and done. Now, these screen protectors also come with the TUV Rainland certification and also anti-blue light, so you can use this as long as you want at night and they won't be damaging your eyes. Last but not the least, the lens protectors for those people who drop their phone a lot. So the cool thing about this is for both the Pro and Pro Max, it comes with the colorways that the Pro and Pro Max come with. So you've got the silver, you've got the cosmic orange and the deep blue, and these will match those. Let's start with the deep blue one for my deep blue Pro Max. So the way this works is pretty simple, very straightforward. Just pull it out, peel off the back cover and then the front cover just like that, and boom. So you've got 3 of the lenses right there. You can clean this up. They actually have some cleaning kits included as well, and simply just stick them on. Very straightforward, just like that. So there you have it, installed with the lens protectors and screen protectors, giving you proper protection all around and also anti-blue light. So the colors that you get when you're shooting with or without, it'll look the same. This one is without and this one is with. So it does bulge out a little bit, so it takes the impact away from your actual lens. And with this, you're getting basically all around 360 protection for your phone, all the way from the front for the screen protector, the sides and the whole body using the cases, and of course, the back for the camera lenses as well. But that's not all. From now on until the 30th of September, you can get 40% off the Impact Protector Pro screen protector if you buy one of the cases, and a free lens protection as well. You can also use the promo code PN17 for a 10% discount store-wide on your purchases. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys again in the next video. Until then, take care.